Is that equipment room open?
Oh, it will be. Like a lot of that could have to do with the...
Put one of the cones right.
So we got a leak on this commercial spa. You can hear the autofiller. The autofiller's just hissing, just losing a bunch of water. So we're gonna locate the leak and figure out where it is, and to be continued. Okay guys, we finished this leak repair on this commercial spa. You can see here we put the new cement down. You can see we got there's a good look at the floating floor we had to deal with. So, and the autofiller is silent now. We don't hear that autofiller hissing anymore, so leak is fixed.